In this video, we are going to discuss Unit 5, the world of animals. Biodiversity. Biodiversity may be defined as the variety and variability among living organisms and the habitats in which they live. Biodiversity includes a variety of ecosystems such as those that occur in deserts, forests, mountains, lakes, rivers, and agricultural fields. In each ecosystem, living creatures, including humans, form a community interacting with one another and with other animals, plants, air, water, and soil around them. The living things form biotic community and non-living things form abiotic community. Habitat. Living or dwelling place of an organism is known as habitat. Fishes and crabs live only in water, while many animals like elephants, tigers, and camels live on land. The geographical features and environmental conditions on Earth differ from one place to another. Though camel can live anywhere, it is able to live in deserts more comfortably. Polar bear and penguins dwell in cold regions. Living in such harsh conditions requires special features in these animals. Living things are made up of small units called cells. All the functions and processes in the body of living things are brought about with the help of these microscopic cells. Unicellular and multicellular organisms. Some organisms are made up of single cells, and these are called unicellular organisms. The organisms that are made up of many cells are called multicellular organisms. Here, unicellular organisms have single cell, whereas multicellular organisms have many cells. The organisms that are made up of single cells, and these are called unicellular organisms. Example, amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. Unicellular organisms are small, usually microscopic. They cannot be seen with naked eye. They are aquatic, simplest, and most primitive of all animals. They perform all their physiological activities by the special structures present inside the body called organelles. Amoeba. We know amoeba is an unicellular organism. It does all the activities like digestion, locomotion, respiration, and reproduction within the same cell. It swallows food from the water and the food is digested in the food vacuole. Contractile vacuoles help in excretion. Respiration is by simple diffusion through the body surface. They have finger-like projection called pseudopodia, that is false foot, which help in movement or locomotion. Paramecium. Paramecium is also a unicellular organism which lives in water and moves with the help of cilia. Cilia is a hair-like structure which will help to move from one place to another. Euglena. Euglena is an unicellular animal which moves with the flagellum. Multicellular organisms. The organisms that are made up of many cells are called multicellular organisms. Example, fish, frog, lizard, bird, and man. Multicellular organisms. Majority of organisms we see around us, including animals, are multicellular. In such organisms, different functions are carried out by different groups of cells or organs in their body. Example, jellyfish, earthworm, snails, fish, frog, snakes, pigeon, tiger, monkey, and man. Difference between unicellular and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organism is made up of single cell. Multicellular organisms are made up of many cells. Unicellular organisms can perform all the functions of life. In multicellular organisms, division of labor exists among cells. Different cells are specialized to perform different functions. in unicellular organisms are generally very small in size, whereas multicellular organisms are large in size. They are seen through naked eye. In unicellular organisms, they lack tissues, organs, and organ systems. In multicellular organisms, they are composed of tissues, organs, and organ system. Growth occurs by an increase in the size of cells in unicellular organisms, whereas in multicellular organisms, growth occurs by an increase in the number of cells by cell division. Examples for unicellular organisms are amoeba, paramecium, and euglena. Examples for multicellular organisms are earthworm, fish, frog, lizard, and human being. If you like this video, do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.